Hey friends, ever wondered how Himalayas came into existence? Let's unveil. The Himalayas were formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, a process that began approximately 50 million years ago. As the Indian plate moved north, it collided with the Eurasian plate, and since both plates are continental, they buckled and folded instead of one subducting under the other. This immense pressure caused the crust to thicken and uplift, pushing up the Himalayan mountain range and the Tibetan plateau. The prelude to collision drifting continents. About 100 million years ago, the landmass that is now the Indian subcontinent was part of the supercontinent Gondwana. It broke away and began drifting northwards towards Asia, moving at an unusually high speed. The Tethys Sea, between the drifting Indian plate and the stationary Eurasian plate, lay a vast body of water called the Tethys Sea. The floor of this ancient sea was a geosyncline, a basin where sediments from the surrounding landmasses were deposited over millions of years. Marine fossils can still be found in the limestone at the summit of Mount Everest, offering a stunning reminder that the mountain's peak was once at the bottom of an ocean. The colossal impact, the initial crash. The Indian plate first made contact with the Eurasian plate around 50 million years ago. As the Indian plate continued its relentless northward movement, the Tethys Sea vanished and the two continental landmasses collided. Buoyant crust. Unlike an oceanic plate, which can be subducted, forced underneath, a continental plate, the Indian plate is also made of continental crust. This type of crust is thick and buoyant, making it difficult to push down into the Earth's mantle. Uplift, folding, and faulting. Because neither plate could be easily subducted, the tremendous pressure caused the Earth's crust to buckle, fold, and fault. The accumulated sediments and rocks from the Tethys Sea, as well as the crust of the two plates, were pushed skyward. This process piled up and compressed the landscape, resulting in the massive uplift that created the Himalayan mountain range and the Tibetan plateau to its north. An ongoing process. Himalayas are still rising. The Indian plate continues to move northwards, pressing into the Eurasian plate at a rate of several centimeters per year. This ongoing pressure causes the Himalayas to rise by approximately 5 millimeters each year, making them geologically active. Earthquake activity. The immense tectonic stress and movement also make the Himalayan region prone to seismic activity, resulting in frequent earthquakes. Balancing act with erosion. While the tectonic plates cause the mountains to rise, the forces of weathering and erosion are constantly working to wear them down. The Himalayas' elevation is the result of a balance between the upward thrust of plate tectonics and the downward pressure of erosion. Hope we have the knowledge on Himalayan range soaring high, just like the Himalaya. See you next time.